also we do financial plans for people where we look at all their insurance and their retirement. If you have retirement that's in a 401 that is in the market, not one nickel of the money that comes to, that I work with my clients comes to me. If you look at traditional financial services, if you put money in the stock market, it goes up 12%, they made 3% of your money. Every nickel from this organization in all 50 states, I have over $70 trillion providers to provide financial services to people. 70, say 70. 70, not one. So I'm non-captive. When we do a financial plan on people, whatever they tell us they want to do, every nickel of their money goes to the provider. We do so much business. In September, the company I did, we did $3 billion in premium. Say $3 billion.
$3 billion
in 1 month.
In 1 month.
We did $3 billion. It's that large.
Yes.
So the providers pay us separate from your money. We don't have to take from your money. Everything you invest for your kids, for your insurance, for your retirement goes into your fund. So you're not paying us fees every time you make money. It's no fee. The financial plan is absolutely free. We don't charge any upfront cost for that. And the